Happy endings are for those who wait. Last night I fell for you on ice, drunk straight. The shattered see-through dreams reflected my state. My broken wisdom has come far too late. Moving inside a circular visual orbit. Your earth revolves around my sun. Oh, being chased by the devil can be angelic. Here's another brother shaking with...
Oh, that lighting's terrible. So Richie is passed out. I'm going to head down to the pool and lay in the sun because it's like 30 degrees today. Thought I'd show you my bathers. I got them from Shein. They are the best for bathers. Literally cost me like, yeah, it cost me like, I don't know, $12 or something, and they're such good quality. I've gotten quite a few from them in the past year or so. So I'm just gonna chuck on my t-shirt and head down to the pool and probably fall asleep in the sun. Yeah, I don't know if this will be in the wedding vlog or the next one. We'll see how much footage I got last night. I think I got a fair bit though. So yeah, I will see you guys later. So just got ready for my uncle's 70th in absolute struggle town, so that's not amazing. I'm wearing the same outfit as I wore last night. Wearing the same outfit because I didn't actually bring anything else, so that was smart. So I just received my jewellery. So I will open it and show you on camera. Oh, they're so pretty. How the heck? Oh, I like this one. Don't mind my hands, they're kind of green. Why will you not focus? There we go. It's diamonds all the way around. And this last one here. Oh, this one's nice. Can you see that? And it goes all the way around as well. I will show you. Don't mind the dust on this table. Oh, they're so pretty and so shiny. So that's what they look like on the fingers. I've put two of them together on this one and that one, and I love how that looks. They're probably my favorite. And they fit so good. Oh, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear them. I will link the website and everything down below. They actually collabed with me, so that's amazing. So I will put everything in the description below on where to get them, and I'll also post on my Instagram about them. But yeah, I'm obsessed. So just about to go out for lunch. Gonna go to Cicerello's, and then we've got Richie's son to go and pick him up from school, and then just chill. Yeah, I haven't really been doing much since we got home from the wedding, which is amazing. So yeah, I'll check in with you when we get our food. Just got a delivery. I will open it. Whoops. I can't do this one-handed. Hang on. So, I got this bag. Oh god. It's just really hard to do one-handed. And I also got this dress. Hang on. It's just a plain white midi dress. I will try it on later and show you all. But I'm obsessed with this bag. It's all from That's So Fetch. Going to Cicerello's for lunch. Waiting for Corin and Sel. Richie's trying to find a new car. Oh, we wait for them. So this is the dress I just got. Totally obsessed. It's from That's So Fetch with this little bag. And I'll just wear white sneakers. This is for Friday. So cute. I will link them below where I got it from.